Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A5 battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. The battery in an Audi A5 is typically found in the trunk, often beneath the spare tire cover, but sometimes it can be located under the hood. Always confirm its exact position before starting any work. Now let's disconnect the battery. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative terminal first. Carefully lift the negative cable off the post and secure it away to prevent accidental contact. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. It is crucial that both cables are completely clear of the battery posts before moving to the next step, ensuring no short circuits occur. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. Locate the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in place. This often requires a 13mm socket wrench to remove a bolt, or it might be a quick-release mechanism. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Be aware that these batteries can weigh approximately 40 pounds, so lift with proper technique. Finally, let's install the new battery and cover some important tips. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly. Carefully set the new battery into position and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. When connecting, attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Never discard it in regular trash.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.